What if I told you that you could explore one of the most breathtaking countries on Earth for less than $15 a day? Vietnam is the ultimate budget traveler's dream. First things first, timing is everything. To avoid the monsoons and high prices, plan your trip carefully. The sweet spot is spring, February to April, or autumn, September to November. You'll get low humidity and minimal rain. These months offer the best balance for cross-country travel without the monsoon risks. Now, let's talk about where to stay. Your dollar goes incredibly far if you know where to look. In Ninh Binh or Tam Coc, you can find stunning stays for around $30, surrounded by limestone peaks. For beach lovers, Quy Nhon and Tuy Hoa are hidden gems where nightly costs often dip below $15. Hue, the imperial capital, offers a rich history with guest houses ranging from $10 to $25. And in Hanoi's Old Quarter, social hostels can be as cheap as $6 a night, including breakfast. Street food is your best friend. A delicious banh mi is just $1, and a hearty bowl of pho is only $2. Pro tip: use sleeper buses for long hauls. A $12 ticket covers your travel and a night's sleep. Download the Grab app for cheap, reliable transport. Motorbike taxis are fun, fast, and very budget-friendly. Beyond the famous spots, Vietnam's hidden gems offer world-class beauty without the tourist prices. Check out Phu Luong Nature Reserve for breathtaking terraces and authentic stilthouse homestays. Visit the majestic Ban Giok waterfalls. It's remote, but the entrance fee is just $2. Skip the pricey Ha Long cruises and head to Lan Ha Bay for the same stunning views at a fraction of the cost. And don't miss Phong Nha. Rent a bike for $5 and explore the Karst Loop for free. To make the most of your budget, here are the essential do's and don'ts for your Vietnam adventure. Do eat street food, it's safe and delicious. And always carry cash in VND, as cards aren't always accepted. Do use the Grab app for fair pricing and rent a scooter to explore, but only if you're a confident rider. Don't book tours internationally, you'll find better deals locally. And don't travel during Tet without booking ahead. Don't wear revealing clothes at temples, and be wary of free gifts in tourist areas. They usually aren't free. Respect the culture, keep your wits about you, and you'll have an incredible time. Vietnam isn't just affordable, it's unforgettable. The landscapes, the people, and the food will stay with you forever. Pack light, travel smart, and let your journey begin. We'll see you in Vietnam.